fuck? I gotta give this. I gotta figure out what the fuck this boy in here doing. All this damn noise. Boy, what the fuck?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Bro, I don't know, bro. I'm tired of this shit. I need a heat gun, you know what I'm saying? Trying to fix the car. Really, I'm really about to say fuck that car, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh shit.
Boy. Oh shit.
Hey, you think this right here do something to the car? Come on, bitch. Like.
You better.
I got some little features. Shit.
Oh my god.
Damn, bro. This shit ain't working either. Man, fuck this shit. You think this shit will take this off, bro? I ain't even like that. Man, fuck this. I'm about to take all this shit off. And you know what? Fuck this windshield. Oh, my lighter back working, bitch. Yes, sir. Oh, shit. Well, that shit went everywhere, boy. But nah, for real, though. Let me stop playing before I really fuck up my car. Hey, it's your boy Quan, and I'm back with another video, man. You already know what I'm about to tell you. Like, comment, subscribe. So right now, I'm really looking at the car. Right there. Now come back to me, come back to me, come back to me. Yeah, right here. So right now, I'm about to take off the car. Take all this off the car. I'm about to turn the car back plain Jane, you dig? I'm gonna give y'all a little beat roll, you know what I'm saying, about the car, what's going on with the car. But as you see, go back to the car. So, now back to me. So as you can see, the car changed colors and all that. But yeah, I'm about to take all this out the car. And I'm about to go back plain Jane with the white thing, you know what I'm saying? You dig? Yes, sir. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, get it. What? Oh.
Hold on, how I go? Can't do it right now, but then come back to me later. But anyways, yeah, you did. Like, comment, subscribe. Give us a little time-lapse video of me taking everything out the car. I might stop, show y'all a little something. But anyways, I use the fire for a heat gun because I ain't really got no heat gun. But hey, stay tuned in. Like, comment, subscribe, you dig? You can see, I'm already peeling this part up. I'm at the point of no return. So hey, I'm about to go back to plain Jane, you dig? But hey though, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned in. I'm about to put the time lapse on for y'all. Have a little beat playing, you know what I'm saying? A little song, a little cousin playing. But I'm gonna have some music playing for y'all. But you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned in and make sure you watch the whole video. I need them minutes, I need that time, you dig? Yes sir, stay tuned in. So we ran into some technical difficulties. This shit actually hard to peel off when it's cold. So I had to go get the hair dryer. But anyway, stay tuned in. Hey, I got you. I'm gonna show y'all how you take this shit off. Now if I don't take this shit off before the night over with, I'm just gonna set it off. It don't really matter to me. But anyway, yo, we're gonna get this shit off though.
When I was broke, it fuck, they wouldn't call or know of us. When we ball, put snow on us. Sippin' Paul, I'm pulling up. I want all them Rover trucks. Book me all the showing up. Remember I was dead broke, had to get up on my ass. Reminisce about my past, swear to God.
50% done. We got this whole side done. As you can see, you still can like see what the shapes was and the outline and all that. But yeah, right now we're like 50% done. Literally, I gotta get that off too. But we're 50% done. Literally, I haven't seen my phone like this in a minute. Like in a minute, bro. Look at that. I mean, it really ain't taking as long. We probably been here like 20 minutes. We took all this off, like all over, bro. I'll clean all that up later. But yeah, we're taking all that off. halfway done with the trunk. Got a few more spots. And then we just gonna move to the other side. But yeah, we almost there. Hey, but what I'm gonna do next to my car, I ain't even gonna give y'all no hint. I'm just gonna give y'all half of it, you dig? Think back to what I just said to my next video when I do what I'm gonna do next to the car. But hey though, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy, Quan, and I'm back, you know what I'm saying? We back. She in here helping me. Her bean pie head ass, toaster strudel head ass. Girl, you built like a left knee. Stop playing. But anyways, yeah, we in the garage peeling this off. But you know what I'm saying? Hey, go subscribe. Not subscribe, but go follow that channel. You see that Capo Quan? You did? Yes, sir. They see the Instagram tag. See that? Y'all see that? But yeah. Anyways, we're almost done. But hey, we about to get back to it. I'll catch y'all when we get to the other side. You dig? This all we got left. Just this side. This side really got a lot of big pieces, so we ain't really tripping. Like big pieces, big. So we should be done with this side in like 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Like yeah, I got this monkey over here helping me. You know what I'm saying?
Maybe 20.
What's your face? What's your face? You playing your butt? What? She got the camera shot right now. But anyway, we about to be done in like probably 5 to 10 minutes. Brownie, what time it is? Bro, it's 2 o'clock in the morning right now. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. I don't even know what time we started. But yeah, we ain't take that long. Take this shit off, feeling a whole lot of shit. I'm gonna miss you, bro. I'm gonna miss you, bro. Hey, I'm leaving the roof like this too. Leaving that joke all blight, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, stay tuned in.
And that boy be lying, he ain't really who he be. I'm on my grind, so I stay prayed up. Remember crying all the nights that I stayed up. Remember fucking with a bitch and we were laid up. You hit my line, I hit you back if it's on paper. Your niggas still be in the trucker that what made us. For that little boy, don't fuck with him. They got my little brothers all in the newspaper. We finna helicopter, AM with that laser.
Gotta go.
Remember he was bringing food to the table. Remember we was smoking weed with our neighbor. And now we rockin', now we tryna make the fader. Bitch ain't no rich homie, got family indicator.
Yes. Damn. Come on, B. We'll get that later. What is she? Y'all see the bullshit I had to go through here. Why you taking off a Band-Aid? You did. What fucking doing? Good night. And yeah, and we done, bro. I'm tired as fuck. Like I said, that last little segment, the last little second half only took like 5-10 minutes tops. But yeah, we done. Finally done. I like the car look, you know what I'm saying? All white plain Jane, cocaine. You did. But yeah, everything on the car, chrome, all they're gonna get a change of a color and all that. See that stuff they're peeling off? They're gonna get taken off and all that. I'm gonna take care of all of that. But yeah, I just had to take everything off. Not because of the hate, not because of love. A lot of people like it, a lot of people hated it. But the only reason I took it off because me, I get tired of the same thing. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to wear the same outfit too many fucking times. Everybody gonna know. And also, I got tired of being like noticed everywhere I go. Oh, there go Quan right there. God damn, bro. Can't go nowhere without knowing I'm there. So I had to switch it up. So I'm back to the plain Jane. But you did, you know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna keep my other videos. I'm probably gonna put them on the screen like right here, right here, right here. But yeah, you did, yes sir. And I'm back and I'm out, you know what I'm saying? It's like 2:50 in the morning right now. But yeah, I'm about to go to sleep. Give me some Z's, you know what I'm saying? See y'all tomorrow. See you whenever I see you. You did?